We got this set of chair cushions here, and what I want to do is it's going to take a couple days, they said, for them to poof up because they're all vacuum sealed here. So what I want to do is get them opened up here so that over the course of the next day or two they can start poofing up. So that's what we're going to do here. Plastic are on here, but I'm going to get them opened up and then we'll start watch them poof up here. So it looks like in this set here, 3 of them are all squished down like this, but one of them, this looks like it's starting to get some air in it already. So that one has gotten some air in it just in shipment and stuff. But these other 3 you can see are still way, very, very small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up one of these here, and then we'll see over the course of the next couple days. This one will be all poofy and ready to use pretty quick as soon as I open it. But this one here, we'll open one of these and watch it poof up. Okay, I just took it out of there about 10 seconds ago, and you can see they're already starting to poof up. They're not as poofy as they're gonna be, but they're already, that's at about 2 inches or so already. So we'll give those a chance to poof up over time. And you can see there's 2 different cushions. There's a bottom, a seat cushion, and a back cushion, and they have the ties on them and stuff to hold them in place. So, and these are kind of a gray color and stuff. They're actually quite soft, and the fabric is really nice and soft too. So anyway, we'll give them a couple days, let them poof up, and then we'll show you what they look like. So there you go, good stuff. Okay, here they are all poofy after they've had a chance to couple days, 2 or 3 days after they've been out of the package. Here you can see how poofy they are. They're let's see, they're probably let's see, what's that, about 3 or 4 inches deep there. And what we're doing here is I got this one on my chair here, and you can see they have the ties on the back. This fabric is really nice and soft and smooth and everything, but we've got them on our patio chairs here, and there's the little ties on the back there on all 4 corners on the back piece there. There's a back and a seat cushion there, and so the seat one is there, and then the back one there will go there. We've been sitting on them on the other chair already, but this one, we hadn't put them on this chair yet, so I wanted to show you before I actually attached them so you could see the ties and everything on the back corners, and little buttons right there. Well, they're not really, it's not literally a button, it's just a little quilted area there, and the front side there, and then just sits right there like that. And they're very comfortable. Like I said, they're on the other chair over there, and we've been sitting on them there for a couple days over there. Set we took out of the package about 3 days ago, I think, just to let them get all poofy and stuff. So yeah, anyway, they're really nice. They're very cushy, very comfy. Yeah, very soft and nice and cushy, and they feel good. I like them. So yeah, thanks for sending those.